All right, this is a video for Math Models, Unit 7, Lesson 4. This one deals with renting, and it's really just some basic problem solving. There's not really a lot of formula. There's not necessarily a formula. It's just making sure you're including all the costs. So like number 4, Robin can rent an unfurnished apartment for $850 per month. The landlord requires first and last month's rent plus security deposit of $350. How much will she have to pay before she can rent? And so this is pretty standard, pretty typical. You see when you sign a lease, you got to pay 2 months rent at the beginning, and then a security deposit, which is basically to say like cover any potential costs of fixing things that are broken after you move out, or like to clean it and stuff like that. So you're just adding up all the costs. So we know we have to pay first and last plus 350. So, it's pretty basic. You have 850 for the first month, plus 850 for the last month, plus 350 for the security deposit. That's it. $2,050. And there's my answer there. You just need to be adding those things up. So like this one, it just says he has to pay 1 month's rent. So just be careful that you're reading the questions and add up the different parts to make sure it adds up to the whole. So read the questions carefully. 5, 6, those are all the same. Okay, the last few questions are about whether or not the person should be paying for an unfurnished or furnished apartment. And it gives you two options. And so you're just making a comparison. What's more expensive? Ming can rent an unfurnished apartment for $1,750 or a furnished apartment for $500 per week. He will need to pay 1 month deposit plus $900 for the unfurnished. He'll also need to purchase furniture, which he has found for $3,200. Compare the yearly cost. Okay. So this is what you're going to do here. So you just like multiply everything out. So it's like 1,750 per month, 1,750 times 12 because it's per month. It also says the unfurnished apartment will be 1 month deposit plus 900. So another 750 plus, I should have done answer, plus 1,750 plus 900. So that's the total cost. That's the months of rent plus the deposit plus the security deposit. So that's how much it's going to cost for the entire year. So let's go look at the furnished apartment. It's $500 per week. So that's 500 times 52. So already we're well beyond. We've already reached beyond the cost of the other apartment. But we find, you have to purchase furniture for the unfurnished apartment. So we need to go back up here and add to this 23,650. We need to add 3,200 for furniture. And we could see, now the furnished apartment is a better deal. And so that's what you're doing there. And let's do one more. Looking at number 9. Sarah can rent an unfurnished apartment for $955 per month or a furnished apartment for $270 per week. She'll need to pay 1 month plus $250 and purchase furniture. So let's do it. So $955 per month times 12 plus, see what do we got? We have 1 month, so that's $955. We have a security deposit of $250. And we have furniture costing $970. So we added this monthly plus $250 plus 1 month plus the cost of the furniture. So all that together, $13,635 versus $270 per week. So in this case, the unfurnished apartment is a better deal. So that's what you're doing on all these. Just some basic problem solving, no real formula here. Just read the questions carefully and make sure you're adding the right things to the right apartment.